My name's Jordy and I'm 24.
My name's Ruby and I'm 22. We built the Barcelona 27 in Armstrong Creek. Yes, this is our first home. Before that, we were renting for a year and a half. We're actually going to buy a house that was already built, but it cost more than what we were planning on spending. So then we turned to look at some builders. And then our mums actually walked through a boutique and were like, this one's great.
The thing that sold us building with boutique was probably our experience at the start with our sales consultant, Brett. Yeah,
we love Brett.
We've been to a few different displays and we'd had different experiences with some people judging us because we were a little bit younger. Whereas when we went and had a look at the boutique display, they asked us what we wanted. They didn't tell us what we could have. They said, what do you want? What do you want to get out of this? What's going to work for you?
We got the first homeowners grant. That was helpful.
Because we live in regional Victoria, we were able to take advantage of the $20,000 compared to $10,000 if it was in Metro.
Just meant we could push that a little bit further, get a few extras we wanted.
Which is great for us. And then, once construction started, our build was
18 weeks.
18 weeks in the end, which was really good. So we're just slowly setting everything up.
Slowly, but surely.
Ticking it off one by one.
I really love the Barcelona because you've got 2 lounge rooms, one in the middle of the house and one right at the front. Adults retreat.
It was really important to us that we had, our kitchen, our living and dining areas all in the one area just to kind of open up the space a little bit.
When we did our colour consult, it was great. I loved every minute of it. That was really the highlight of everything. You got to pick all your colours for your facade. There were samples of everything.
I think the idea we were going for was to kind of keep colours simple. We used a lot of whites, greys, a lot of neutral colours and shades. So then, down the track we could dress it up a little bit with some plants or a nice timber table or something like that.
We do plan on having our friends over quite a lot, but at the moment I'm just waiting for everything to be set up and then I'm just going to let everyone come run loose in the house.
And summertime, we can have barbecues and
have the whole area open.
Have it open and that kind of thing, which is good. We're really happy with boutique. I think the thing we've found the most beneficial is just that there's been no unexpected surprise or anything because everything was explained to us very clearly at the start, which was awesome.